So I'm about to perform a test of the Trangia cooking system. I'm going to use my old paraffin burner, and I'm going to compare that against the new gas burner that I got today. I'm going to take 1 litre of water in the kettle and see how long it takes to boil from the get-go. Okay, so we are lit. Now the paraffin burner takes a minute or two to start vaporizing the fuel before the burner starts working. So put on the windshield, put in the water. Now the paraffin hasn't really got going yet. It still hasn't heated up the fuel to a high enough level to vaporize it. But there is a tiny bit of heat coming out, so I'm going to stick the kettle on it. So we're coming up on 8 minutes for the paraffin burner. And as you can see, it's flaming away. There's some good blue flame coming out through. There's a few bubbles in the water, but it is nowhere near being boiled. Okay, so I think we're almost at boiling point. Yeah, water's boiling just there, and we are at 18 minutes. Okay, so this time is the turn of the gas burner, which is the nice little Trangia inset, and everything has been reset. We have the exactly 1 litre of water back. The kettle's been cooled down to water temperature, so to have a fair test. And timer's reset, ready to go. Okay, just lit it, stuck it on. I think you can hear the sound is a lot more energy from the gas coming out. And the time it took was 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, so this was the paraffin burner. So the amount of fuel that took to boil 1 litre was roughly one of my thumbs of methylated spirits. So in these containers I get, you would have enough fuel for boiling roughly 7 litres of water before you ran out. Rough estimate. Okay, so the fuel situation with the gas burner. This says it burns for roughly 1 to 2 hours. It's a big estimate, so let's say 90 minutes of burning with this, divided by our time. So let's say, rough estimate, 16 litres of water you'd be able to boil with this guy. Rough estimate again. So, for those of you hard of hearing, gas, thumbs up. Paraffin, yeah.